Hello my YouTubers and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Another achieve video for you guys. Yes, 2 in 1 night. Wow. This time back in 2015 at my last place, Marton. And would you believe it? It is a robotic vacuum cleaner. Yes, I used to own one. This one is a pifco robotic vacuum cleaner. I bought this for 40 something pound from Wilko a long time ago, and again I do apologise, it's a short video, about 1 minute 20 or something like that, but I hope you enjoy. Let's see what it can do. And there you go. Well, there we go my YouTubers, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Yes, again I do apologise, it is only a short video, but hope you enjoyed. I won't be getting any future robotic vacuum cleaners anytime soon. So yes, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.